Hello beautifuls, welcome to our channel. My name is Carla and today I have created this brown smoky slash glitter eye look. So if you want to know how to recreate this look, just keep on watching. Guys, just for the sake of this video, I already did my eyebrows and I used my Anastasia Beverly Hills in shade Auburn. And I also primed my eyelids with the Kat Von D Lock-It concealer in the shade neutral. I set my eyes with the Jeffree Star Beauty Killer in the shade China White. And so today I was planning to do a more toned down eye look. I didn't want to go all colorful, but I am gonna do a little bit of a dark shades and I'm gonna incorporate a little bit of glitter. So start with my Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna go in with this one right here. Changing my brush to this one. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. And just to continue darkening my outer corner and my inner corner, I'm going in with this shade, with this one right here. Wet my brush like so, and I am gonna apply this shade. That's everything for the eyeshadow. Now we're gonna go in with glitter. So I am using the Black Copper Mine from Super Glitters. Going back with the darkest brown I used, I'm gonna darken up a little bit more just to like blend in the glitter with the eyeshadow. So now that I'm done with the glitter, I'm gonna go in with black eyeliner from Wetnwild, and also I'm gonna do it off camera because it takes me a little bit and I don't want to take too long. So yeah, I'm gonna do eyeliner and lashes and I'll come back. Hey guys, so I'm back. Did the eyeliner, did the lashes, a little bit of mascara. Okay, so I'm going in with these two foundations. This one's CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous in the shade 115 Buff Beige, and then on this one it's the CoverGirl Ultra Smooth Hair Smoothing Foundation in 842 medium beige. So I'm just gonna mix in these two colors. This one is a little bit too dark for me, and this one is a little bit too light, so I'm just gonna mix it to combine the right shade for myself. And now that I'm done blending my foundation, I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Makeup Stick Contour. This one. And I'm just going to contour. Here. Just a little bit here. Air sponge and translucent powder, and I'm just gonna bake a little. Meanwhile, I'm gonna go in with my NYC Big Bold Bronzing Powder in shade 602 Metropolitan. Now for the fun part, we're going to highlight, and I am using the Beauty Creations Angel Glow Kit, and I am going to go in with this shade and this shade, these two. Mix them around with a taper brush, a highlight brush, this one. So, yeah, just do this. Finally, I'm going with blush, and I am using the Wet n Wild Silk Finish Blush in shade Berry Shimmer, and just a tab Oh my god, there's a lot of pigment. If you can see, just poked it. There's a lot. I'm scared. Guys, what did I do? Look at this. Okay, it looks very okay. For lower lash, I'm gonna go in with this one right here and this one. I'm gonna use some setting spray to lock in my makeup. Okay guys, so this is the final look. If you like watching this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get you notified when we upload future videos. Remember, my day's on Thursday and my sister Carmen's on Tuesdays, so don't miss any of our videos. Bye.